Turn your microbiome on. Let me tell you several ways to restore a forest. First, natural regeneration. This is the process of allowing a forest to regrow on its own, without human intervention. This can happen through seed dispersal or the regrowth of roots and sprouts from existing trees. Second, tree planting. This involves planting seedlings or saplings in an area where a forest has been cleared or degraded. This can be done manually or by using a machine. Third, assisted natural regeneration. This method combines elements of both natural regeneration and tree planting. It involves planting trees or shrubs to enhance natural regeneration processes and to provide a source of seeds for the local ecosystem. Fourth, forest gardening. This is a method of forest restoration that mimics the structure and diversity of a natural forest ecosystem. It involves planting a variety of trees, shrubs, and other plants in layers to create a diverse and sustainable ecosystem. Fifth, restoration logging. This is a method used to restore degraded forests by removing dead and dying trees, which allows for new growth. Consequently, it's important to consider the local climate, soil, water availability, and potential impact on the local flora and fauna when choosing a method of forest restoration. Having a long-term maintenance plan can ensure the continued health of the restored forest. Tree to One. Thanks for watching.